Hello everyone, my name is Patrick. I am going to talk and present a little bit about Tarsia puzzles. These are it's a matching exercise basically. It's a puzzle activity that I've used often to teach Tier 3 vocabulary to my English language learning students. If you don't know, Tier 3 vocabulary, like domain-specific vocabulary. Sometimes I'll help the chemistry teachers or the physics teachers, when they need a little extra English practice, I'll integrate this kind of activity into my classes when I have a few extra minutes. The Tarsia is basically a matching exercise. So anytime you have two discrete pieces of information that are linked together, it can work for that. I generally do vocabulary definitions, but it also works for closed-ended questions where there's only one right answer, like an easy to answer question. You could also do fill in the blank closed activities. You have the blank and then match it with the vocabulary that goes in there. And what I'm going to do is, if you have read a bit about what I wrote, you would have seen that I often use this as a group learning activity, and I have these certain roles. I have the puzzler role. They're responsible for actually putting the puzzle together. I have the runner role. They're the ones who go back and forth to pick up the pieces, because I like to have a little bit of activity action in my classes. And I have the researcher or definer role, and they're the ones who have the tools to look up the information. Everyone is separate, but they all have to work together if they're going to solve this puzzle. And I'm going to be kind of walking through this, acting out each little role, a little bit talking about how it works, and then you'll see me complete a Tarsia with different types of questions across a lot of content areas. So it doesn't matter what kind of teacher you are, you probably see how this can relate to your class.